Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2015 Ford Focus diesel. Now of course it is finished in this brilliant solid white colour, and of course coming around the car I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern. Now of course these are a 16-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one like I've just said, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and of course the condition. But coming around to the rear of the car now, you of course have your 4 rear parking sensors. You then come into the tailgate and you have plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats that will fold straight down. Then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points across the rear bench. You've then also, coming into the front of the car, got your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control in the front, and then of course we've got all your media controls. Now of course we've got Bluetooth hands-free. We've then got satellite navigation, which you can also see just here. Then coming over back to the home display, we've then got your entertainment, which has your AM, FM, DAB, CD, USB, Bluetooth audio, and of course your auxiliary. You can also control the climate control via the touchscreen display as well if you'd prefer. We've got your onboard computer controls on the left with your cruise control and speed limiter just below. On the right hand side we've got your track select, Bluetooth hands-free on the either side. Then in the middle we've got voice assistant, and above and bottom and below you've then got your volume. As you can see in the bottom left of the screen, this car has done 91,486 miles. You've got 4 automatic headlights as well. But if coming into the last remaining alloy now, if you do of course require any further information on this Ford Focus, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership. One of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.